Python is an interpreted, high-level, and general-purpose programming language. Interpreted means it runs directly from the source code. This differs from compiled languages like C++ that are translated into machine code. High-level language. Python makes it easy for programmers to write code. It allows developers to focus on solving problems and create applications as soon as possible. General-purpose language, which means it can be used to develop a variety of applications from web development and data analysis to AI and machine learning. Popularity. According to Stack Overflow, Python continues to be one of the most popular programming languages in 2023, showing that it is widely used and liked by professional developers and people who are learning to code. Some of the top companies using Python are Google, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Spotify, NASA, Bitbucket. Python history. Python was created by Van Rossum, a Dutch programmer. Python's first version was released in 1991. The name Python was inspired by the British comedy series Monty Python. Python syntax is clean and easy to understand, which is one of the reasons why it's great for beginners. Here is the simplest program, print hello world. It prints hello world to the console. Variables and data type. We define variables without specifying their type. Python automatically determines the data type, making it a dynamical type language. In Python, the variables name, age, GPA, and isNew are assigned different types based on their values. Let's see how the same concept would be expressed in C++ language. We define variables by specifying their type like string, integer, or boolean. Control flow. Control flow in programming refers to the order in which statements and instructions are executed in a program. Conditional statements are used to make decisions based on certain conditions. The most common form is if, elif, else. Python uses indentations to define block structure, leading to more readable code. Let's have an example. If the temperature is greater than 30, it prints it's hot outside. If the temperature is less than 10, it prints it's cold outside. If neither of the above conditions is met, that's true in this case, so it prints the weather is nice. For loop, it iterates through the list of fruits and print each fruit name. While loop starts with x that is equal to 5 and decrements x by 1 in each iteration until x becomes 0. It prints the value of x in each step. Function. Def defines a function, add numbers that takes two parameters x and y and returns their sum. It then calls the function with arguments 4 and 6 and prints the result to the console, which is 10. Python web frameworks. Python has many helpful tools and libraries that make it easy for developers to create scalable web applications. Python web frameworks are Django, Flask, and FastAPI. Data science and machine learning with Python. Python is the top choice for data science and machine learning because it has powerful tools that make working with data easy. Data manipulation. Python has libraries like NumPy and Pandas that help clean and analyze large sets of data quickly. Deep learning. Python's TensorFlow and PyTorch libraries are great for building and training advanced neural network for tasks like image processing. Python has libraries like Matplotlib that let you create graphs and charts to show data in a nice way. Python job opportunities. The job market for Python developers are thriving with diverse career opportunities spanning our industries, from web development to data science, AI, automation, and Internet of Things, and more. As Python popularity continues to grow, the demand for skilled Python developers is expected to rise. Python developers salary. According to Glassdoor, the average Python developer salary in the US is from $80,000 to $110,000 per year. That's it. Guys, if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe this channel.